good afternoon everybody. My name is Chinmay and I have made an app, Aura Flame. Modern life is overwhelming and mentally exhausting. People wake up in clear mind but end of the day drowning in unfinished tasks, distractions and mental fatigue. Everybody wants to control, but with endless notifications, responsibilities and chaos, staying organized is impossible. So, I have made a solution, Aura Flame. Aura Flame brings order to your life through beautifully organized system of task, routine and categories. It doesn't just tell you what to do. It turns your day into guided quest that gives you direction, clarity and control. It makes motivation visible, rewarding and exciting. You're no longer just doing tasks. You're learning powers, leveling up and evolving. I'm going to be telling you how to use my app. So the first thing after clicking my app, you're going to see the dashboard. Here you can see your level and can also add the tasks. Here you can set the time for the task and also the deadline. Here you can also set the alarm sound or can even set a custom alarm sound too. Here you can change your profile, name, bio and can even upgrade the profile. Settings. Here you can change the settings of the game, app and there's also a level guide which reviews the aura required for each level. So this is how you use my app. So this is how I converted your daily life tasks into a game. Thank you.